First connect to Bluetooth with your mobile phone. Once connected, there is a mobile station and a reference station. Then get the location. Just click apply to save. Then click the system to enter the setting program. Connect to Wi-Fi. Then click the plus button. Have project information. Click on it. Click New. The name can be chosen at will. Drilling and hammering. If we drive, hammer. Plunge elevation. Now it's the location to get out this. Dot spacing, pile and pile distance. If it is 3 meters, just set centimeters. Line spacing, then set it out. Direct save. This is what we just saved. Open directly. What about after opening it? This will show each stake and each stake. Our current position is the position of the first pile. Then it can be automatically remotely controlled. Click on the first pile and press long. Click to adjust it automatically. The green light goes on. His machine is ready. You can press the remote control to drag the pile. After the first pile, he will automatically find the point of the second pile. At this point, he will automatically stop. Then we continue to press the pile. After the second pile is driven, he will automatically find the third pile himself. He will automatically stop when he gets there.